feature is rated SM for spiritual maturity and is not intended for the immature who wishes to remain as such. The views expressed are not necessarily those of our sponsors, as they sometimes could care less about what the host is saying, but is more concerned about having their product on a popular show. Warning, small minds, listen at your own risk, as this content is extremely overwhelming and may do further damage to those minds closed off to objective reality. Approach with an open mind, as the heavy nature of the content will lick your chip.
In the meantime, 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 in between time, in the meantime, in the meantime, in between time.
Yes, Rasta, me I tell you, yes, Curly Locks the voice box, yes, as usual, yes, me there. Another week, another episode 15, yes, entitled E-Meal, yes, the E, this will stand for emasculated, yes, emasculated meal, yes, E-Meal.
So why this topic though, my brother? Why you choose to speak on the topic of men in particular on this episode?
Well, we have known, just like Mr. on the last episode, right?
What was that?
In this Western democracy, or should I say, them a act crazy. In this Western